Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake till I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. And every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You will let me through the fire, and the light is time. You were close like no other. I know you as a father, I know you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Yeah. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. Every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yeah. Your goodness is right now, it's right now today. Your goodness is right now, it's right now today. My life laid down, surrender now, I give you everything. Your goodness is right now, it's right now today. This is right now, it's right now today. Your goodness is right now, it's right now today. In my life laid down, surrender now, I give you everything. Your goodness is right now, it's right now today. And all my life you have been faithful.
Hi, Team Palaban, especially to our lalabs Cheryl. Happy birthday po. Pasensya na at madali ang mensahe lang ito kasi kakarating lang namin galing sa galaan. And ito, makulit yung bunso. Kaya, wish ko na mas mahaba pa ang pagsasamahan natin sa YT World. And wish ko na lahat ng dinadasal mo at hindi mo ay ibibigay ni Lord. Kalusugan at kasiyahan sa araw-araw. And also na maging masaya ka sa araw na to. Happy birthday. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Mama. Hi, everyone. Kiss mama. Hi. Kiss. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Ah, you have dirt in your nose? Okay. Come on. Enough. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Malaki na si Bunso. Once again, happy birthday and God bless you, Lalab Cheryl. Bye.
Hello Ups Cheryl. Happy birthday and wishing you all the best in life, happiness, joy, and success, and always stay healthy. I love you and I miss you so much, and happy birthday and God bless. I miss you all, guys. It's been so long, wala na akong nakita sa YouTube world. So, happy birthday and God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Cheryl. Happy birthday. Sana kilala mo pa ako ngayon. Hindi na rin po kasi ako nakapaggawa ng content Hopefully, marami pang birthday taon ang darating sa buhay mo at sa pamilya mo. Hindi na ako magpapakilala pa. Hopefully, naalala mo pa ako. Yun lamang po. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Hello! Surprise! It's been a long time since I made birthday greetings to a friend on the YT world. And this is your special day. I pray that the Lord will bless you and keep you always sa iyong trabaho, saan ka man napadpad, ano man yung ginagawa mo. I pray and may the Lord bless you long life, happy family, and abundant blessing to you sa iyong trabaho. At salamat sa buhay mo sa araw na ito. You are born para makilala ka namin. Thank you, Sisikoy, Cheryl Arnaez. Happy birthday to you. And of course, Team Palaban, shout out sa inyong lahat. And thank you to Sisikoy darling for giving me this opportunity to greet you. And stay safe ka lagi. And I'm happy for you today. At sana marami kang birthdays na darating. And malay mo, someday, somehow, magkikita din tayo. At salamat sa pagiging supportive din. Even though naging busy tayo, but still, minsan sa isang araw, minsan sa isang buwan, minsan sa isang taon, na nakakapag-support tayo sa bawat isa. It's okay. God bless you, Sisikoy, Cheryl Arnaez. Happy birthday sa iyo. At maraming salamat sa friendship din, na even though hindi naman tayo close, na as in close, but thank you. God bless you, Sisikoy. Team Palaban here, Smiling Face Channel. Always saying anuman ang pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, always smile, para ang buhay ay magaan. Happy birthday, Sisikoy Cheryl. Mwah! God bless you!
Agapon. Pero sa hindi pa guys, may isa akong friend na babatiin ngayon, birthday. Siya yung dahilan na bakit na banhaw yung yung tropang mental guys. So happy birthday, Cheryl Arnaez. Sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng daming itinalarin sa buhay mo at mahabang buhay. At sana hindi ka magbabago sa amin. Maraming salamat si Silap na nakilala ka namin. Very supportive friend. And napakabait. Hiningal ako guys. At sana palaguin mo yung channel mo at at mabubuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. I'm so sorry kung anong kababalaghan na ginagawa namin ngayon. So hindi naman to maayos tong yung costume ko kasi mahirap kasi dito, pero pinagtyagaan ko talaga na maano ko lang makaano lang ako sa ito. At sana nagustuhan mo at sana masaya ka dito sa mga ginawa namin. So hanggang dito lang. Mega love shout out pala sa Team Palaban, Pilmil Channel, Darbling din ang marunong. Pilmil Channel, Darling Vlog, Uratsa Vlog, and Iba Adventure, and po yung iba, si CG, and Kalimutan ko ba yung iba? Sir Mike at Sir Wild Vlogs. Ano pa ba yung iba? Ay, nakalimutan ko na ata. And Joros Vlog and Jenski Ninap. At sino po yung iba? Basta nakalimutan ko sa hindi sa ano guys, sa yung makapanood nito guys. Sana hindi kayo magtampo. So hanggang dito na lang siguro ang video ko guys, and thank you so much, and Sissy Love, Shurel, and happy birthday ulit, and sana nagustuhan nitong video ko guys. So, hanggang dito na lang guys, and
Happy birthday, Cheryl Arnaiz. Happy birthday to you. Birthday mo na naman. So, ayan. Nakaisip na naman ako ng isang magandang diba? Mayaman ko. Happy birthday and more blessings to come, and sana mapasaya kita sa aking handog. So, salamat Inday sa iyong pagmamahal. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. To you.
Jadi
Hello, good day everyone. Dahil birthday ni Cheryl Arnaiz, ayan, dito mag-greetings na ako. Madalian lang to sa Team Palaban. Cheryl Arnaiz, ayan, happy birthday to you. More birthday to come and more blessing. God bless. Happy birthday to you. Team Palaban, laging andyan, laging palaban. Thank you sa support nyo palagi. Sa'yo, Arnaiz, at kikay, at napaka-sweet na ka-team. Ayan. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your blessing. Always keep safe and healthy. Love you, everyone. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin ang ating pagsusupport sa ating Team Palaban. Ayan, I hope na tumagal pa at tumibay ang ating mga samahan sa group natin. God bless! Happy birthday ulit!
Wala kayong mararating. Wala kayong lugar sa mundo. Nagagagugol namin.
Naghiwalay ng asawa mo.
Oh, namatagal na kami naghiwalay. Pinauwi mo sa bahay eh. Nanahimik na nga ako ng ilang taon eh.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight.